Hi there, my name is Georgie. I'm product manager of ABA Cards, your customizable flashcards app for behavior analysis. It allows you to spend less time with papers and more time with your students. If you're new to ABA Cards, check out our previous video in which I'm explaining the basics. Today I'm very excited to show you our new telehealth mode. Pretty much all behavior analysts that we've been talking to are having trouble with working on their students' receptive goals during the lockdown. Sure, it is possible to show flashcards to your students while talking on Zoom or Skype, but it's way more difficult to record their answers. Well, we want to change that. As you can see, there are two options for logging into ABA Cards now. One is for therapists and the other one is for their students. Using those, you can work with DTT no matter the distance. Let's see how it works in vivo. Alright, let's give that telehealth mode a spin. It's as simple as Kahoot, really. It works best in situations when you're calling your students via Zoom, Skype, or any other video conference service. Here's a therapist device. This is one of their students. So you tap the telehealth mode switch on the main screen and you see a pin code here. Now, your students' caregivers need to select I'm a student option on the login screen, enter this pin code, and then wait for you to start a lesson. Let's go to a lesson, shall we? You see a notification here once a student is connected. After that, they can select an answer on the screen, and that's about it. You, on the other hand, can do everything but. You'll see your students' answers. You can tap on any part of the screen to go to next question. If you're giving your student a verbal hint, don't forget to tap on this button on top of the screen, so the hint would be recorded in the lesson stats. You can press and hold this arrow button to skip a question. You can look at the stats at any time, or you can go back and start another lesson, also at any time. And if your student gets disconnected for some reason, you'll also see a notification. And that's pretty much it. We hope it will make your work easier. ABA Cards is your Swiss Army knife flashcards app. It has been tailored for behavior analysts. It has built-in lessons based on VB-Mapp, and it allows you to create your own flashcard decks for any purpose. Our next step is releasing it for iPhones and also adding an option to change cards in any lesson so it would fit your goals better. You can click the link under the video to download it for free. If you know someone who could use this app, please don't hesitate to share a link to this video with them. And may I also remind you that we are waiting for your feedback to make this app even better for you. There is an email in the description to this video, or you can sign up on rewire.education. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next version of ABA Cards.